Welcome back everyone. I get questions every week about our barbecue rubs, so in this video we're going to spend a little bit of time talking about each one. Now first up is our steak shooter rub, the first rub in our range. Obviously great on steak and all things beef, but I absolutely love this one on roast chicken and pork as well. It's a great mix of your classic salt, pepper, garlic, it's got onion powder in there, paprika, and a few secret ingredients to really make it stand out from your regular steak rub. There's been heaps of awards won by competition barbecue teams who use our steak shooter rub, so it's great for backyard and also competition barbecue. Moving on to the second rub we've released is our garlic goals. This is a great all-purpose rub. It's got salt, white pepper, herbs, it's got some butter powder in there, and it's also got some parmesan powder in there too to give it some really nice flavour. Obviously this goes great on everything, but I especially love it on lamb and roast veggies. I'll also use this as a base coat when I'm leveling flavours on, so for example if I'm doing a lamb shoulder, I'll put a base coat of our garlic goals, then I'll top it off with our lamb layup. Same thing if I'm doing brisket, I'll usually put a base coat down of the garlic goals and top it off with either our beef bounce or our steak shooter. I also love using garlic goals in my fried chicken mix that actually won us first place burger at Meat Stock Toowoomba against 45 other teams, which also earned me a golden ticket to compete in the World Championships. Garlic goals fried chicken is an absolute winner. Definitely make sure you try it. Now moving on to the third rub in our range is our honey soy slammer. I absolutely love this one. Callum helped me develop this one and our lamb layup. This one's great on pork and chicken. I absolutely love using it in stir fries as well. We've got honey powder, soy powder, and a bunch of other awesome ingredients in this one, so you get that real nice honey soy taste. It's a really fine, clean rub, so you get some awesome clean color out of it. And it's also suitable to use as a finishing dust too. Then our fourth rub in our range is our lamb layup. This one's a lamb and game rub, so obviously great on lamb, but we've also enjoyed it on things like venison, duck, crocodile, and kangaroo. Another good mix of salt, pepper, garlic, herbs. It's got some nice citrus notes to it, and it's also got a bit of mushroom powder in there for a good umami hit. It's a very coarse rub, so when we use this one in competition, we'll grind it up. And then onto our fifth rub is our beef bounce. This one's a perfect blend of your salt, pepper, garlic. It's got onion powder, a bit of sugar, and some mushroom powder for a good umami hit. I absolutely love this on brisket, beef ribs, steak, beef shin, pulled beef. So it's got some real bold beefy flavors, and you get awesome bark when you use this as well. So we've got about 100 stockists around Australia and New Zealand. I'll put a link where you can view our stockist list in the description down below. Many of our stockists will sell our rubs individually and as a bundle, and we also have Natural Smoke who will ship internationally. So if you are outside of Australia or New Zealand and you want to purchase our rubs, flick Natural Smoke a message and they'll get it sorted for you. If you've got any questions about our rubs, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. But for now, that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.